Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your video in Capcut. So if you'd like to add music to your videos in Capcut, then let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up Capcut. Next tap on New Project. Here we'll go ahead and post a video. Now we've added the video to the timeline. To add music to this video, go ahead and tap on Audio and then tap on Sound from the bottom left. Since Capcut is related to TikTok, this will pull out all the songs from TikTok. And as you can see, you've got recommended, which is trending, or whatever is on your audio, or whatever is in TikTok, or whatever is in your favorites. So you can go ahead and choose what you like from here. The pro ones are the paid ones. So if you have a pro membership with Capcut, go ahead and use that. If not, go ahead and just use the ones that are free. Tap on the plus sign and this will add the music to your video. Now as you can see, currently the music is longer than the video. Go ahead and select the music and shorten it so that it fits the video clip. So there you go guys. That is how to add music to your video in Capcut. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.